I mean, come on, you never know what's going to happen. I think something will probably happen next week too that's kind of cool. Dennis Mariano, Benton Sillick, Sam Snyder, Elliott Schwartzman, Max Flansburg, Mike Martinez, Chris O'Brien.